The September 2023 update brings you 13 new presets to explore in Krotos Studio. The cinematic category brings transitions such as Metallic Flurry, Simple Flutter, Subtle Flow, Backdraft Mosquito, Howling Call, and Guitar Mayhem, plus powerful impacts such as Metal Hit, Cold Impact, Insect Hit and Steel Impact. There are also 2 new subtle ambiences in the form of Quiet Village and Interior Quiet for room tones. Finally, the weather category features rain on surfaces for rain sound effects on roofs, sheds, car windshields and more. Log into Krotos Studio to download the new update, install the new sound effects from the library tab and start creating Hollywood sound in seconds.